you are our big loser tonight, my friend.
Yes.
So for your punishment, you're going to be driving around the Bronx in the official Impractical Jokers Mustang convertible.
Okay.
Now, we know that you don't know how to operate everything in the Mustang. You may have never driven one before.
I haven't.
So, you know, when you're going through the drive-thru, we're going to be controlling some of the Mustang's features.
Like what? Oh, man. I'm
Well, we are back at White Castle after all this time. This is where it started for us.
You look really douchey.
You look like a midlife crisis, like on wheels.
We wanted to have a little bit of fun, so we put Roy in the drive-thru booth.
Yeah, I'm ready to take some orders, please. Thank you, drive-thru.
Yeah. And away we go. All right, Murr, pull up right behind this lady.
Oh, no. Oh.
So this is what controls the horn in the Mustang.
Thank you for choosing White Castle. Just a moment, please.
It's already amazing. It's so much different in the drive-thru than on the street.
One moment, ma'am. No need to honk.
That's not me. That's your.
All right. Please stop honking, ma'am. Just a second. We'll be right with
I
you.
am not honky.
Murr, let's go. I got the squirts bad.
Let's go. I got the squirts bad. No.
Ma'am, when was the last time you had the squirts? Get out of the way.
Ma'am, when was the last time you had the squirts? Get out of the way.
I don't know.
I'll ask you again. When was the last time you had the squirts?
Ma'am, I'll ask you again. When was the last time you had the squirts?
You know you've had it.
You know you've had it.
I bet you had it earlier today.
I bet you had it earlier today. Oh, me.
Ma'am, do you have the skirts?
Her face. Everybody in this situation is frozen. Nobody knows what to do.
Ma'am, is the problem that the gentleman behind you is squirting?
Yes.
Okay, Roy, come on back with us.
Oh, a guy and his girl.
Let's open it up with a long horn. Okay, here we
It's all
go.
you, baby.
Let's move it, lovebirds.
Oh, no. Let's go, lovebirds. Come on. I'm ordering. Oh,
Get your woman under control.
Oh. Yo, get your woman under control, man. No. Please stop. Please stop.
Oh my God.
Get your man under control.
Yo, get your man under control.
I'm gonna stay right here the whole day. I'm gonna stay right here.
Murr, yell, you're both being Karens.
You're both being Karens.
Oh my, your wife.
I love you. Just tell him you love him.
I love you, bro.
I love you, bro.
Bros before hoes.
Dude, bros before hoes.
Number one combo. Medium Coke.
Crave K small soda, that's it.
Murr, after Roy hits it, dab.
All right, here we go. Down.
No.
Dab, keep dabbing.
What the?
I'm trying to help you, Murr. Stop dabbing. You've got one more.
Thank you for choosing White Castle. Give me one moment, please.
Oh my God. That is one of the biggest men I've ever seen in my life.
Guys, you're gonna kill me.
Murr, I'm so sorry that you have to do this to Rick Ross. I'm so sorry, Murr. I'm so sorry.
Oh.
Oh, no.
Yeah, Murr, tap at your watch, buddy.
Sorry, go again.
2 1921 burgers.
He looks sad that he's about to kick Murray's ass.
He does not want to do what he wants to do.
He looks right now like he regrets your death. Oh, you're done. You're done. You're done. You're done. Oh my God. Oh my God.
You got a problem?
What's that?
You have a problem?
Yes,
No.
I'm very hungry, Daddy.
Jesus Christ. I'm very hungry, Daddy. I'm just
Okay,
trying to...
but I've got to wait on him. You keep honking the horn, and it's interrupting him.
I understand, but I'm hungry, bro.
Okay, we all hungry.
Yeah.
You think it's funny?
I would never joke about hunger.
I would never joke about hunger. I'm hungry.
That's it. No.
What do you mean no? This is what we brought you here for.
I can't do it.
Don't hit it again, please.
Boys, hit it.
I can't. You can't.
Let me just.
I'm trying to save her.
Let me hit the short one. Just the short one.
Don't.
Roy, just the short one.
Don't.
Say, let's go, Death Row Records. Say it, hurry up, say people's voice.
Let's go, Death Row Records!
He's now completely laughing.
Oh my Lord. Murr, you better be glad that black people go to therapy.
Yeah, nice work, Roy.
Yes, yes.